Today we have a wild animal and some farm animals. Let's learn their names one per one. They are wild animal toys. Let's unbox the wild animals and learn their names. Are you ready? Let's start. The first one is giraffe. This is giraffe.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
The next one is
And
alligator.
on his farm he
This
had a
is alligator.
with a here and a there, here,
Alligator.
everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
A deer. This is a deer.
Old MacDonald
A zebra.
had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog. E-I-E-I-O.
A zebra.
Here and a
The
there,
next
here,
animal
there,
is
everywhere.
gorilla.
Old
This
MacDonald
is
had a
gorilla.
farm. E-I-E-I-O.
A hippo. This is a
Old MacDonald
hippopotamus.
had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
A lion.
And on his
This
farm he
is
had
a
some
lion.
goats. E-I-E-I-O. With a
lion.
here and a there, here, there,
A wolf. This is a wolf.
farm. E-I-E-I-O.
A camel. This is a camel.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
rhino.
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep.
The next one